Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best instant coffees that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Colcafe Classic Instant Coffee. Colcafe's instant coffee crystals produce a cup of coffee that's robust, flavorful, bold, and not overly bitter. It tastes like a good quality dark roast blend, that kind of reliable everyday cup of coffee that warms you right through. It's one of the better dark roasts I've had recently. It's smoky without being acrid, and the flavor brings to mind campfires with fresh cut wood. There's a caramel note that blends with the smokiness to make it almost taste like a toasted marshmallow. I don't like bitter flavors. I never have. I can tolerate and appreciate them, and note them present in a coffee or a beer's bouquet of flavors. But Colcafe's instant coffee is pleasantly bitter. A bitter tang at the end of every sip adds to the whole drinking experience, like a contrasting note resolving itself at the end of a verse. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Trung Nguyen G7 Instant Coffee. Trung Nguyen's G7 3-in-1 Instant Coffee is an absolute dream. It includes sugar and non-dairy creamer powder in its mix, so you can make this one with just hot water and be good to go. The coffee it produces is full-bodied and tastes almost like cocoa, with notes of nutmeg and malt. There's a nuttiness I've never tasted in an instant coffee. Lighter, more delicate flavors are usually lost in the processing stages, which is why so many instant coffees taste bold and dark. But it has notes of hazelnut that ring clear as a bell through the warm, roasty flavors. It's amazing. This one is also incredible as an ice cream topping. Sprinkle some of the coffee powder over vanilla or chocolate ice cream, and it's a sort of deconstructed affogato. Don't even get me started on how good it is with whipped cream. At number 3, we have the Nescafe Gold Espresso Instant Coffee. Nescafe Gold doesn't look like other instant coffees, it's a finer powder, almost like flour. When you pour hot water over a spoonful, the coffee creates a little crema and smells remarkably like fresh espresso. On first taste, it's close to the intense complexity a freshly pulled shot of espresso brings to the party. You're hit with a tang of bitterness, followed by a wave of roasted warm flavors. It has notes of caramel and hazelnut, plus a fleeting floral flavor that shows up after the first sip. If you're looking for an instant espresso that tastes like espresso, this is easily the one to get. At number 2, we have the Amorcito Corazon Café de Olla Instant Coffee. Café de Olla is a Mexican coffee drink traditionally prepared in a big clay pot or olla. It's usually a blend of milk, piloncillo, a solid cone of unrefined sugar, a lot like jaggery, cinnamon sticks, and a few big scoops of instant coffee. The resulting drink is rich, silky, and indulgent. The bitterness of the instant coffee offsets the sweetness of the piloncillo, and the milk and cinnamon bring the whole thing together into a cup that tastes like nothing else. There are quite a few different recipes and styles throughout Central and South America, and several different companies make instant coffee versions of Café de Olla. This one, from Amorcito, is the absolute best of the bunch. It contains the piloncillo and cinnamon already, so once you add milk, steamed milk works great, you have a single serving of Café de Olla all to yourself. It has notes of caramel, chocolate, and honey. And finally, at number 1, we have the UCC The Blend 117 Instant Coffee. UCC's The Blend 117 is a Japanese instant coffee and one of the best I've tried. With some hot water, blend 117's light brown crystals become a dark, caramel-colored cup of coffee. The smell will hit you first, filling your nose with bold notes of Dutch processed baking chocolate. It's strong and assertive, but not overly bitter, with an undeniable chocolate flavor that almost tastes like hot cocoa. Blend 117 is perfect for sipping with or without milk or sugar. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.